As you can see, our Fume hood's Auto Sash function is incredibly user-friendly. With just a click of a button, you can smoothly open the sash, allowing easy access to the interior without the need for any physical effort. And there's more. Our Fume hood also features advanced safety sensors that detect obstacles in the sash's path. These sensors are designed to sense any hurdles or objects in the way. So, if an obstacle is detected while closing the sash, the Auto Sash function will automatically stop to prevent any accidents or damage. Our Fume hood provides an effortless experience for users, ensures their safety, and protects valuable equipment inside.